Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions. This is how to fix Koorui monitor not turning on. So first one is make sure the power cable is securely connected to both the monitor and functioning power outlet, and just simply check if the monitor's power indicator light is illuminated. Now another one is confirm that the video cable is properly connected to both the monitor and your computer, and you can just simply try a different cable or a port so you could understand if the monitor is the problem or the cable. Another one is just simply select the correct input source. So just simply use the monitor's on-screen display and just simply select the appropriate input source. Now another one is just simply adjust the display settings on your computer and set the display resolution and refresh rate to match the monitor's specifications. Now, another option is just simply test it with another device. So connect the monitor to a different computer or device so you can determine if the problem is your computer or the monitor. Now, another one is just simply reset the monitor settings. Just simply access the OSD menu and perform a factory reset to eliminate any incorrect settings. Now, if any of these doesn't still work, just make sure your computer graphic drivers are up to date because outdated drivers can cause display issues. There you go. See ya.